A language processor mainly classified into three types. They are compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Let us see each and every one briefly. Compiler. Compiler is a program which can translate the high level language to the machine level language or the binary language. Let us see the example. This is a language written by using the C. C is the example of the high level language. So this high level language compiler translated to the machine level language, but the translation can be done entire whole program at a time. The whole program, maybe this program having the 3 lines, some of the programs having the 1,000 lines, the entire 1,000 instructions or the 1,000 lines can be translated into the machine level language at a time. That is the compiler. Actually is the interpreter. Interpreter is a program that is also translate the high level language into the machine level language, but it can translate line by line. In the compiler can translate the whole program at a time, but this interpreter can translate line by line or one statement at a time. That's why it is called as a sequential execution. Interpreter can be called as a sequential execution process. Let us take the example. This is a high level language. First, void main, the statement, first it is translated to the high level language. Next, second statement, int a is equal to 5 is also translated to the machine level language. Print hello, third statement is translated to the machine level language, and so on. Here, the entire program or whole program cannot be translated to the at a time. Only line by line can be translated to the machine level language. This interpreter is a slower process. The execution time take a more. That's why system is slower. Compiler is a faster. Means the execution time is faster. Why? Because of entire program, whole program can be translated to the machine level language at a time. Assembler. An assembler is a program that translates the assembly level language to the machine level language. Here is the example. So simple addition program that can be written in the assembly level language. This language cannot be understood by the computer. That's why an assembler takes this uh, assembly level language and translated into the machine level or binary level languages. An assembler is a low level language, means an assembler can be used in the low level languages. Compiler and interpreter can be utilized for the high level languages. Next, application software. It is a software. It performs a single task. Is called as application software. It cannot run multi-task at a time. It can perform only that a single task. Examples: word processor, spreadsheet, MS PowerPoint, photo editor. These are all the general purpose software. Aeronautical flight simulator, accounting applications is the customized applications. Antivirus, device testing, and disk defragmentation or disk partitioning is the utility software. Students, I hope you can understand the concepts of software and application software. In the next video, we will discuss about the computer memory. Thank you.